So at first, welcome to our factory here. You can take a look how he's doing a typical Toledo handicraft. The name of the work is Damasquinado, because this handicraft comes from Damascus city, from Syria. The Arab people brought it to Toledo in the 8th century. It consists to inlay real and soft gold thread of 24-23 karat gold into the steel. Beginning the work, they take the pieces of steel and with a very sharp knife, they make lines in 2 or 3 different directions so the steel opens. Then they put the gold thread on the piece of steel, what he's doing now, making all the designs by free hand. When the design is completely finished, they hammer over the gold over the steel. So the little lines, what they opened before, closed and takes the gold with it. It makes now one body. After they put them all into a chemical composition, so the natural color of the steel turns from gray to black, and so the contrast gold and steel is better. This is the work now. It's very easy for me to tell you how they make it to finish sometimes. Those pieces, and that is a big piece what he's doing now. Well, big, you have then also pictures or plates. But this one here, exactly, is filigree work, takes about 10 hours before it's finished. Now here in that handicraft you will find 2 different designs. The pieces, what you see with geometric lines or stars, is the Arab design, the old style. And then you can see also pieces with flowers and birds. That is the Spanish, the Renaissance design. In the qualities, you will find 3 different levels. The first quality pieces are all done by different masters. They have all their own designs, making them with a lot of details. Second quality pieces are done by apprentice, beginners. They are learning to make the handicraft, so they copy the designs, and they inlaid also less amount of gold. And the third quality pieces imported are made in Toledo with the same material, but not here in our factory, because the third quality